I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's topic is one that sparks curiosity, raises eyebrows, and often stirs heated debates. Why is it that young Filipinas often seems to have two lovers? Now, I'm not here to accuse or shame. This is simply an observation from real life stories, expats' experiences, and cultural dynamics that play out every day in the Philippines. Grab your coffee, lean in, and let me break things down for you. In many parts of the Philippines, dating and relationships aren't just about romance. They are about survival, family, and financial stability. A young Filipina might have a primary boyfriend, often a foreigner who provides financial support. This man might be overseas, sending money regularly, or he could be living with her. But alongside him, she may have a local lover, a guy who gives her emotional or physical attention when the foreigner isn't around. This isn't always about infidelity, it's often about balance. One provides stability, the other provides companionship and passion. Many foreign men are much older than their young Filipino partners. That comes with challenges. He might not match her energy, her lifestyle, or her desire for social life. He may spend more time in quiet routines while she craves adventure, nightlife, and youthful connection. So, while he provides security, she finds someone her age who gets her world. She doesn't even see it as betrayal, she sees it as filling a void. It's fascinating how young Filipinas often manage this double life. They will present themselves as loyal, traditional girlfriends to the foreigner. Meanwhile, the second lover is often hiding in plain sight, a cousin, friend, or neighbor who always seems to be around. For the foreigner, the biggest mistake is assuming that loyalty is guaranteed simply because money is flowing. In reality, loyalty has layers. And if the emotional connection is missing, another lover may be waiting in the wings. Why do men stay in these situations? Some don't know the truth. Some suspect it, but accept it because they're getting what they want: companionship, intimacy, and the fantasy of youth. Some genuinely don't care because the two are living double lives. It's a delicate dance, and many expats quietly accept it as the cost of love in the Philippines. Are all young Filipinas two-timers? Of course not. But the idea that many juggle two lovers is rooted in cultural, financial, and emotional realities. If you're a foreigner stepping into these waters, go in with your eyes wide open. Love is possible, but so are double lives. Remember, relationships here are not just about the heart. They're often about survival, social image, and personal needs. What do you think? Is this just a clever survival strategy or outright betrayal? Whatever the goal or objectives, both parties will reap maximum benefits and self-satisfaction through the duration of the relationships. Thank you for subscribing, watching, and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.